I didn't tell you. When I use Lagos to Ibadan. Connect it.
You have a table here for us. Not a table has been prepared for us. So let's say this sunburn. Sunburn.
How does someone get that?
Me.
Can try.
See now, that's my way of sleep. Imagine.
The house is there.
The thing is to shop, but just stay away from soil. Come back.
Unless more wine ever is cream and
My stuff is all over my bag.
I'm Franklin Okanu, Booking Hub. I'm a documentary photographer. The life of a documentary photographer looks very attractive when you're looking at it from social media. But there are lots of challenges, lots of obstacles which we don't show. I think we should start showing the obstacles and the challenges. That would be like turning the trend on its head, honestly. But it's always rewarding to when you show the beauty of what you're going to cover, the life of the people, the landscape, the animals, the locals, the connection with human nature. That's the reward for all the hassles you put with transportation, safety, gear, especially in the terrain we are. Enugu is relatively safe, so it's not as crazy as the north, but you still have to be wary of all that. But in all, it's something I can do for the rest of my life. Right down this place, that's my preferred.
Hi, I'm Lola, and yeah, I mean, like looking at me right now, you can see how tired and weary I look. That's like the reality of a travel photographer and even a documentary photographer. Documentary photography to me has been interesting, has been challenging, has been crazy, and but I love it. I mean, with everything that I spelled out, with the way I'm even looking stressed right now, if you buzz me and say, "You, let's go on a trip tomorrow," I'm always ready. And yeah, um, honestly, it's actually been quite challenging. Okay, realistically, it's actually been quite challenging too. I mean, talking from a female perspective, you don't see quite a lot of us. I mean, now you see like many because I have like senior female colleagues that are kind of inspire my journey and stuff. But generally, you don't see as much as as much female. But then, if you have this kind of vibe rooted in your passion, please, you can go for it. Just go for it, explore, travel. I mean, like, there's so much to see everywhere in this country. Oh, and of course, documentary and traveling has really opened my mind to the thousands, to the endless learnings in this country, endless views, endless. How do I put it? What's the best? I'm looking for a word that will capture everything. Um, it's been an experience, I mean, it's still a journey, but it's been an experience, and I've explored the country quite a bit, and I'm still looking to explore more. When I say quite a bit, I mean like just like 1/3% of it. Yeah, 1/3 or less. So I'm enjoying my ride so far. I'm enjoying the journey so far, and yeah. Oh, of course. Oh, let me add this part. To actually start this, you actually have to have money. So you have to look at the camera to say that you have to have money. It's very, very important because no passion works without money. We have to, we have to like be realistic and stuff when we're talking about these things. You have to have money. If you can work for a bit before delving into it, just go for it, please. But if that's like deeply rooted in your passion, go for it and be careful. It's good to have the adrenaline and stuff, but you also have to be careful, be wary of your safety and stuff. Yeah. Um. So I'm actually Lagos based, yeah, and I mean like Lagos is Lagos, right? It's the greatly chaotic city and whatnot, yeah. And documenting Lagos can seem like a lot, right? Because documentary in itself requires you picking a social topic or a social whatever, a social topic basically that you're passionate about, and inquire about it, investigate it, and find people, negotiate space with them, and do all of those things. And Lagos, like, I mean, you find people in Lagos that may have like that may be subject of that particular topic that you're interested in as a documentary photographer. But Lagos doesn't give you this travel vibe, because if you want to do both documentary and travel, you can. They actually like they're not exactly the same, but they're actually like interwoven. Do you get? So, and Lagos doesn't, I mean, Lagos doesn't give you this beauty. If we're being honest, everywhere is full of houses and stuff. And yeah, I'm currently in Enugu, by the way, as you can see. Only Enugu can give you it right. And I recently learned that um Enugu actually translates to on top hill. Wow, I like it when something is named after its characteristics. It's actually really beautiful. And I mean, being in Enugu, this is like my 1 millionth time in Enugu, by the way. But being in Enugu is always like fantastic. I've been here before, but it seemed like I've never even been here before. Like I'm seeing it from different perspective and stuff. And that's what nature gives you, right? That's what traveling gives you. You could fly a road 1 million times, but each time you go there, you're seeing something new. So yeah, love it here, 101%. We'll always come back. Yeah. Yeah, wait. Let me use my 50 ml. Yeah. Honestly, there's barely ever thing you can actually start up without having like backup funds or having like certain amount of money to actually like start it. I mean, if you have family backings, if you have financial support from people, that's actually great for you. But if you don't, please, I beg you, don't just delve into it and hope that the money is going to be instantaneous, because the reality is absolutely different. I mean, the old travel vibe may be rewarding, right? But you actually need money to run things. You need money, to run things. You need money to pay for stuff because things happen. Things happen, and Honestly, I can't even overemphasize on how important it is. Just save up if you're working, work, save up, save up some money and use it to fund your passion. Yeah, that's actually how we should run. Make money and use it to fund your passion, and then hopefully you get rewarded, you know, properly for it, you know. Mm.
Second to none. You is always second to none. Like I'm trying to set it. This is no one on now.
Chuka!
Oh, I'm not connected.
Yeah, hey, shy. Chuka, you can stand there.
You see this? You see this? You see this thing, bar? This is the coco. Shirtless. Don't tell me to run up.
Put it up, put it up.
This is the view now. You understand?
Yes,
Ah.
beautiful. You can take it down a bit so that.
Oh. Where are you going? Oh, let's go. 1%. What the hell?
What was 1%?
My phone now.
You didn't charge it.
I was talking to you.
Thank you.
Okay, well, whoever is taking this thing down, please. You can go now. Come back. Yes, go. Just go. Just go. Be random. All right. Just keep doing what you're doing. Keep doing what you're doing. Let me circle back. I can't find you again. No. Crazy. What I want to do is, I want you to run towards where you were running before, this way, and then I will go back with the drone. So when I say go, you go. You get? So in fact, once the drone flies over you to this side, you start running. You understand? Yeah? Go. Nice. Yeah, hold it like that. Hold it like that. Hold it like that. Let me circle you. Hold it. Let it not rest on your body. Let it wave. Chuka, let it wave. Nice. Hold it there. Don't hold it there. I'm done with the best thing to do. Just come back. Traveling is expensive. Costs money. You're not going to get from point A to B without proper finance and planning. You need resources, lots of resources. I think that's one of the challenges you have, or one of the things that deter us from traveling. Because we had all the money in the world to travel, we're not seeing it again. Right? But with the little resources you have, even if you don't have the resources to travel out of your local place, you cannot go. Very interesting to
Oh my god.
Honey. Is that not what allowed?
This road is freaking terrifying. I think this road that is giving me anxiety. I swear, it's like I'm going to fall.
That's how serious.
I swear to God, it's like I'm going to fall.
So when I was driving, were you having the same anxiety?
No, I wasn't.
Why?
I don't know. It was not discovery.
It was this called.
It's not the road.
It's just that I don't trust Chuka's hand.
Maybe.
Just say it.
Chuka,
That's not what I'm
Just
saying.
you-
Chuka, please face your front, oh.
Fuck you.
Don't trust Chuka's driving, that's why.
Chuka, please, Ankali. Kadan.
What is Kanakada?
Wire.
Wire.
Kanakada is wire.
Dear.
Don't worry, I don't speak more than this.
Coco. Like this. Can I see the shot?